Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how we're going to go about using our diagram here to not only help us complete the key concepts, but then to use key concepts to describe what we see in the diagram. So we're looking at this diagram. We have a histogram here with a population from 300 generations ago of forest beetles, and we're looking at their armor thickness 300 generations ago in an environment where they had no predators. And if you notice, we have a unique distribution here. And in the population today, so 300 generations later, our forest beetles see a very big change in their overall distribution to their armor thickness. We also know that after this time passing, the environment had praying mantises show up somewhere within the environment. So we're going to be looking at how this diagram can be used to help us explain the key concepts. So in key concept number one, we drag and dropped our different words like we always do, and we created the key concept that says a population can be described by the traits present and the number of individuals who have each trait. So when looking at the diagram, you'll see the beetle population, so that's our population, starts with a medium distribution of our medium armor thickness. So we're looking at what kind of individuals we have with those traits, and we had a medium distribution, so that's how we know the number of traits. We also had a low distribution of high thickness and a high distribution of low thickness. So that's why we had that downward trend with our data in that histogram. The population then has all high distribution for high armor thickness when the environment changed, specifically when those praying mantises show up. So if you notice, I'm pulling in all of our key ideas here, describing what's going on in the diagram using what the key concept says. So hopefully that makes sense, and you can refer back to this example if you need help. As always, make sure that if you put your X in yellow or red when it comes to understanding what the diagram is showing and how to use it to explain our key concepts, that you check in. Otherwise, good